I found the Kingdom Equipping course absolutely brilliant. It's giving me really practical tools to go out and do evangelism. It's also got me back into evangelism. I did that back in my 20s and it's got me all fired up. I've seen great results so far, so praise the Lord, go for it.
Kingdom School Equipping is incredible. It's equipping me more to go out on the streets, to reach the hard to reach people and to speak about Jesus confidently, boldly and with authority.
How to share the gospel effectively, how to speak it out with clarity and confidence, and actually like creating opportunities to go out with teams together and actually put it into practice and getting the teachings behind it. So receiving the teachings from the training and then going out and applying it.
I came on Kingdom Equipping because I just wanted to know more about how to share my faith with those that are outside. And since being on it, I have learned so much. The teaching has been absolutely amazing.
I'm really grateful for the Kingdom Equipping School. It's really helped develop confidence, a fire in my heart, the sense of urgency for the evangelist, and the practical things of coming together, the how to go about speaking to people with confidence and courage.
I'm just thankful that we've got things like this going on that can teach us, and we can learn so much more than what we do just inside the church.